Hello, beautiful people, amazing ones. I'm Dr. Caroline Alexis-Thomas, coming to you from Silk Cotton Wellness Lifestyle Center, and I am somebody who had experienced a right-sided stroke. Right, so right-sided stroke. Okay, for today's video, who am I now? We are talking about self-identity. Who am I now? And how has my sense of self changed? Remaking of your identity and meaning. You might tell yourself, I will never be the same again. Really? You will never be the same again. That's true. That is so true. But who are you going to become is even truer. Who are you going to become is even more truer. Because that is closing off one section of your life, and you are about to enter the next chapter of your life. How are you going to enter this next chapter? How are you going to enter this chapter? Because you are thinking that you're not going to have a new way. Sorry about that. You have to have a new way of doing things because this is how you are. This is how you'll always be. You tell yourself that. But no. You have to focus on making a new identity. Right? You have to focus on making your new identity. Right? You have to define what your post-stroke self is going to be like. You have to move from I'm a patient with all those things added, being a patient and being vulnerable and all those things, to I am powerful. I'm becoming powerful. I'm becoming my own person. I'm rediscovering myself. Yeah. It's all about rediscovery, not only rehabilitation. It's rediscovering who you are. Right? My thriving statement is, I am strong. I'm resilient and becoming more and more unstoppable every day. Repeat that again. I am strong. I'm resilient and I'm becoming more and more unstoppable every day. So what is your identity? What is your next chapter thinking? What will your thriving self be 1 year from today? Write it down. Write it down. How would you like to see yourself 1 year from today? Right? Because people get stuck in the past. I know past means past identity, past passive identity. You need to work into future active identity. Something you're working towards. Alright? So you're not a survivor, you're a thriver in progress. It's not a case of I am who was, but a case of I am who I'm becoming. So you write your story. You write your story. And I want to hear about it. I want to hear about your story, so that we can all add to each other's story. From surviving to thriving after a stroke. Yes. I want to hear your story. Alright? So, besides giving this a thumbs up, click on the comments below, comment section below, and comment on what your story was and now what your story will be. Okay, so this is Dr. Caroline again from Silcotton Wellness Lifestyle Center, and who had experienced a right-sided stroke. Right? I'm now helping women with moving from surviving to thriving after a stroke. So, until next time I meet you, keep reclaiming. Keep working towards reclaiming your identity. Your new identity. Your new identity. Alright? You see, even right now I have problems with my words. But that's not it. That's not a problem. I have problems with my words, so I say it slower. I say it slower. So, claim your new identity. Rewrite your story, because you're more than a survivor. Bye for now.